like to have a lot of energy, and we want that to be, we express it in a way that it transcends to the audience. We care about our songs, even though we didn't write them, we care about them, and we want the audience to feel the way we feel, like we're in control, like we're having a great time.
That's what really sets us apart is our modesty, our humility, and the fact that we're the greatest that ever walked the face of the Pacific Northwest.
Advantage of our youth and immaturity, which is something that many cover bands cannot have going for them.
Damn, I'm turned 20. So now I can't say all of us are in our 20s anymore.
That makes us a good 20 years younger than your average cover band, and with the youthful enthusiasm and the youthful sex appeal.
We sing.
We sing.
I'm the rock song.
I'm the better rock singer.
She is.
Yeah, we're both pretty decent.
She's not very good at boosting my confidence.
Between the two of us, we can cover any genre, any song.
Is something we did really successfully out in Chicago for a couple years and developed quite a following and a group of clubs that we played at very regularly.
Cover everything. I mean, we play things from Bon Jovi and Def Leppard all the way to
Lady Gaga.
To Lady Gaga and Jordan Knight and Joey McIntyre.
And Rick Springfield.
Show, Seattle. Thanks you guys for sticking around with us. Let's keep drinking.